we've just started walking to the bee farm. We've just arrived in Cameron Tea Plantation. We've just come outside from eating our food and Isla's amusement park rides. Bees, yeah, and it's even hotter than it was before, so I think we're avoiding the rains today, which is good. Sunny. I just got dust blown in my face by the truck. Anyway, it looks like we're at the bee farm already. That wasn't even 1 minute walk from where we were. We're going downstairs to the bee farm and it's free. That was a surprise. I expected to pay. Okay, they've got a hive, maze or a bee farm. Go B1 or B2 entrance. So we're just walking down the stairs to the bee farm and I noticed a door for bee maze and it was closed. So maybe that's not on anymore. Which way are you gonna go? I don't know. Choose your adventure. Look at that beautiful painting on the wall, Isla. The sunflowers and the sunrise. And it says, be happy, yeah. Be happy with lots of bees flying around. Woohoo! It's a beautiful little garden. I haven't seen any actual bees yet though. Spotted. Here are the bees, Isla. Look at all of these things here. The green, with the green on top and the blue. Yeah, you spotted them. There's the bees. There they are all flying around. These are the beehives. Have a look here, see? Yeah. You see them right there? Isla just spotted the queen bee. There she is.
Look at all her helpers away.
Oh, her helpers. Her helper bees are over there.
They're making honey.
They're making honey.
Don't bother them.
Don't bother them. Okay, they're busy. Busy bees. Don't bother them. Gotta be quiet. Shh, making honey. Shh, shh. Shh. Oh, where are you going? Up there? Shh. Going up all these stairs? What's up there? Bees making honey. Oh, there's some more hives down there. Okay, let's go up. Following you. Shh, shh, shh. Whisper. Quiet footsteps. Careful, careful. They're getting a bit steep. Okay. We found another helper bee. It is a beautiful day. No rain in sight. The weather is on our side. Thank you. It's so muddy, I don't think we're supposed to walk on that. There might be some plants under there or something. Spring Chang at night? No idea where the singing's coming from. It's raining. I haven't noticed it. I noticed at the hotel saying to be quiet after 10 a.m. But it's really noisy outside every night, which is fine. I can sleep through it. Good night. Please work. We get to go to the tea plantation today. Going to find some lunch. Look at those mountains in the background with the low clouds. I always love that. It's a bit of a cooler day today. But I'm still only wearing short sleeve. I could do to have something a little bit warmer on. And I've got long pants, so that's keeping me warm. We found a place. Has lots of options and all-day breakfast, and it's quite cute inside. This is our brunch. We missed out on breakfast. We had to sleep in. Isla just received our orange juice, and I'm going to get some baked beans on toast. Isla's getting spring rolls, and then we can probably start our day. We've just arrived in Cameron Tea Plantation. We just had a really enjoyable taxi ride, lovely taxi driver. And now we're going to, I think, maybe catch a buggy to go see the tea field. We're in the buggy. I'm not sure if we're leaving now or not, but I think we are. It's got a wristband. It was 15 ringgit. Isla was free. It says free for children. This is the buggy. And I think we're going to be moving soon. Hello! It's a little bit chilly here, more chilly than it was in Tanarata. It rained this morning. You can feel the cold in the air, but it's not unbearable. We're riding! We're going for our tea safari! This is your first time riding in a car? Yeah!
I don't mind that.
Yeah, you don't mind this?
Why did ride on this?
Did he?
Yeah. I watched the far. Why is it on the dinosaur one?
Oh. Welcome to our tea safari. And then I'm about to Yep. Look here, Isla. It's waterfall. Okay, we just walked across the little bridge. It's a gorgeous waterfall to see. Tables and chairs if it wasn't rainy. And there's a nice river with a food truck and some cafe, and we got a 10% discount from the tram wristband ticket thing. And they've got this big Hollywood sign up there in the hills. Huh? Yeah, it says don't go in there. We go back up safari tour to go to the toilet, I think. There is a toilet down here, but it's not a Western style toilet. And Isla's a bit unsure about it. Yeah, that one's the male, but this other one's the female. You just need to stand over the top of it. It's quite easy to use, I can help you. No? Just started moving. Are you ready? Hey Isla, how's your tea safari? Good? To get some cake, just have a little snack. Next door is a tea shop and free samples by the looks of it. I don't drink tea, so I'm not going to try the tea unfortunately, but I did try it yesterday. It was the same brand that I tried yesterday and it was nice. It was strawberry tea, it was mild, and apparently that's the most popular tea I learned last night, but today we're just here for dessert. Dessert with a view. all their tea. We ended up buying this tea. It is black currant. Both me and Isla thought our driver might like this flavour, so we're gonna see. It's 13.50 ringgit. So we just gave our lovely driver Gary a call. Now we're just waiting for her. Like this. Oh! This is what it looks like around here. Beautiful nature and forests and mountains everywhere. Oh yes, you go on an adventure. We went on a safari, didn't we? Bye! Subscribe!